Well, embrace humanity's boldest frontier. The lunar colony offers more than a home, it's a new destiny. Become a moon citizen, investing in unparalleled freedom for your thoughts, innovations, your very being. Imagine owning your own cosmos, real estate on the moon, appreciating exponentially. This is a legacy. Living on Luna means unparalleled autonomy. Escape terrestrial constraints, develop unburdened by old world dogma. Your ideas, your opinions truly matter here. Innovation flourishes because minds are truly free. This is the ultimate investment. Secure your future, your family's future, in a vibrant, growing extraterrestrial economy. Lunar citizenship is your key to limitless potential, genuine self-determination, and a life lived on your own terms. Your moon, your rules. Claim your freedom. Invest in tomorrow, today. Okay.